This is how to export a project in Photoshop. To export, you must either click File, then move to Export, and click Export As, or hit the command Alt-Shift-Control-W. Now there are different ways to export a project. First we have PNG, click Export. Then you want to name your project, I want to call this thing Finished PNG. The second way, you see this background layer, click the eye, and it'll be a transparent image. Alt-Shift-Control-W. Then we have, I'm going to call this Finished PNG Transparent. The next way to go is JPEG. I'm going to call this JPEG. Then there's GIF. And finally, SVG. Let's take a look at the results, shall we? If only I could find the, let's say I do have let's see, there is SVG. We have finished GIF version, JPEG, PNG transparent version, PNG regular version, and the SVG file seems to be corrupted, but that's all I want to share for exporting a project in Photoshop. Bye.